Welcome everybody, and thank you again for joining us. It is February 7, 2025, and I'm so excited. Man, I'm excited today because I'm here at Daly's here in Chicago on 63rd and Cottage Grove with this great group of guys, great group of young men. Man, today we're gonna be really talking about how to reset. We're gonna be talking about some self-care. We're gonna be talking about some strategies and things that we can do to help navigate this thing called life a little bit better for us as men, but not just men, but as black men and as young black men. So stay tuned, stick with us, and let's go eat.
Hi, my name is Mars Harris. I go to CYDI High School. We had a lot of conversations about like staying grounded and connected with each other. The food that I decided to get was strawberry pancakes because I love anything strawberry. Like that's like my whole personality at this point. So being able to go out during school hours allows us to ground ourselves during the school week. Being able to see where we are and reconnect and reestablish what we're thinking about, what our goals are for the week. The main takeaway I got from the meeting was that we need to stay connected with each other, being able to talk to your peers and be able to conversate with each other all the time, and always be able to check up on one another, because as black men, we're all we got, and we have to like make sure that we look out for each other. Hey, it's Mars. Thanks for listening. Bye.